Hey guys, I'm Sayantani and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and this is actually going to be the first unboxing for the month of February. So in today's video, I'm going to unbox the February 2018 Euphorbia box for you guys. So basically last month on my channel, I had unboxed another box from Euphorbia box, which was for the month of January of course. And that box was really amazing and so many of you guys have loved that unboxing. So this time when I received my Euphorbia box, I'm just like so excited about it because I can't wait to unbox this box and see what's inside it. So let's start with the price of this box, because if you are here for the first time and if you have not heard about Euphorbia box before, then I should give you guys a small little brief about what Euphorbia box is, what is its price and everything. So let's begin with that. So basically Euphorbia box is a very affordable beauty subscription box here in India, and the price of this box is just rupees 248 and just rupees 12 extra for shipping, which I think is a really affordable shipping price. So let me just quickly show you the box. So this is how this month's box looks. It's simple but it looks really pretty. So let me just open it and show you guys. So this is how the inside of the box looks. So the first thing I can see are two cards, like there are two cards inside and then there are products inside. So let's see what are the cards. So the first card is this one, which says I love lipstick, which I think is their theme for this month, and on the back of it you are going to get the product detail and the pricing and everything. So this is a price card of the products as well. The second thing that I can see is an offer coupon, and it says 10% discount on all products from Magic Dust. So I will provide you guys with all the details in the description box. So let's see which is the first product in this month's box. So the first product in this month's box is from Magic Dust, and I think it is their star product of the month, and it is an instant glow magic pack chocolate. So I think it is a chocolate face pack, and here it is. So this is how it actually looks. It comes in a white tub like this, and this is priced at rupees 450. Like wow. So I think this itself is covering up for the price of the box. So let me just quickly read out the ingredients. So it basically has chocolate, cocoa butter, shea butter, argan oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil in it. So I think this is going to be really great. It says that this is organic, fresh and natural, and you have to use this within 12 months from the date of manufacturing. So you have to use it within 1 year. So let me open it. Wow, this looks so pretty. Like it actually looks so delicious. Wow, it smells like chocolate. You know, chocolate face packs are really good. I've never tried any one before, and I'm surely going to try this one because I'm really excited about this. And guys, do follow me on Instagram if you guys want further, like if you guys want a review of this in detail. I'm definitely going to put it up on Instagram after I use this. So I will provide you guys with my Instagram handle somewhere over here. So the second product in this month's box is a lipstick, and it is from ML Matte Look, and this is priced at rupees 350. And let me just open it and take it out for you guys. So this is how the lipstick looks. The packaging actually reminds me of the Nicka K lipsticks, like the Nicka K bullet lipsticks. And wow, this is such a pretty color, like such a rich vampy kind of a color. So let me swatch it for you guys. And this shade is so pretty. Like this is in the shade 01, and you might get another shade as well, because this shade right over, like this lipstick right over here, you might get any random shade. But personally, I think this shade is really pretty. Moving on to the next product. So the next product in this month's box is again a lipstick, and I think that is the main reason why this month's theme is I love lipstick. So you are actually getting two lipstick in this month's box. So the second lipstick is from 7 Seas, and it is in the shade red. Now this one is something that you're going to get, like you're going to get the same shade in every box for this month. So this one is priced at rupees 300, and this is again a matte lipstick. So this is how the packaging looks. It comes with a seal over here. So let me just swatch it for you guys, and this is how the shade is. I think it's such a pretty shade, and this is one of those reds which are going to suit a lot of complexions, because this is such a beautiful red shade. It's not too warm, it's not too cool, it's somewhere in between, and I love red lipsticks of this kind because I think it suits almost all kind of skin tones. Coming to the last product. So the last product for this month's box is a nose pin, and it is from Nine. I guess that is how you pronounce. It's like N-I-E-N. It's Nine, I guess. Yeah. So here it is. Let me just open it up. So the price of this nose pin is rupees 150, and this is actually a silver oxidized nose pin. And what I can see is that the quality of this is really good, and you know, this is one of those clip-on nose pins. Even if you don't have a piercing, you don't have to worry, you can just put it on and it's gonna be there. So let me just try it for you guys and let's see how it looks. Now this is the first time I'm trying a nose pin, and this is how it looks on me. Now I've never tried a nose pin before, and I think this is going to look really great if I wear a tate shari. Like if you're a Bengali, you will know what is a tate shari, and I think it's going to look really good if you're wearing a tate shari and pairing it up with other oxidized, like other silver oxidized jewelry and kolais and a black bindi. I think it's going to look really great. So this is definitely good. Like the quality of this is definitely good, and this itself looks really pretty. So if you're into nose pins, you're going to love this one. So yes, that completes our unboxing. So the total worth of product in this month's box is around rupees 1250. So I think that's really awesome because you're paying just rupees 248 for the box and you're getting products worth rupees 1250, and I think that's really cool. And also guys, let me mention that the first 200 people to order this month's Euphorbia box are also going to get a free eyeliner from Insight for absolutely free. So if you guys want to know more about their subscription plans and everything, make sure you guys go and check out my description box for more details. I have written down everything over there in detail, and I have also included their link so that you can go and check out their website and everything. And yes, with that we come to the end of this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also share this video with your friends. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.